In this lesson, we are going to watercolor the stripes on our Barbasol can. So you should have all the ink work completed. You've left white spaces around your stripes that we're going to paint today. And it's critical when you do this not to get water in the areas where the marker is, because it may run and it'll ruin the effect on your image. Alright, so you're going to need water in a cup, you're going to need your watercolors and paper towels and something to put your watercolors on. You can use a dish, a plate, a tray, something that's white would be nice, okay? And you have tube colors, I have pan colors, but I'm going to show you how much you need to put out, okay? Here's my alizarin. Okay, that's how much you need to put out, just a little bit, okay? And you are going to use the colors scarlet and alizarin to create your red, because neither one of those reds is the right color, okay? All right, so let's begin. You have your number 8 brush, all right? I have to mix mine just like you do. You want mostly the scarlet, and then into the scarlet you want to put just a teeny bit of that alizarin. And remember, this is watercolor, so you want to use water, all right? And just get it the right feeling of red, okay? And you don't need a lot of paint. So I mixed it, I rinsed off my brush, I made a point again, and now I'm dipping into that red, okay? So not an excessive amount of water, okay? And then you're slowly going to add your stripes. Remember, leaving the white border, okay? And it should look like a watercolor, all right? I have even mixed way too much paint. I'm not going to use all this paint. And you saw how little I put on my palette, right? All right. All right, so I'm going to, I have that. I'm just going to darken the red on the edges a little. My paper's already wet. You guys are using the multimedia pad, which is very good to use. And I'm going to leave it slightly lighter in the center of my stripe. And that way there's a sense of a highlight on the can, and it makes the can feel like it is turning, okay? And that's it for the red, okay? My 2 red stripes, I already have my black and white design, my white borders around the red to make it feel more vibrant. If you have a can that has green stripes, you're going to use the dark green color to do your stripes, and you can use that without mixing anything else into it, okay? So if you don't have the red can, use the dark green. And if you're using the red, remember using scarlet plus a little bit of alizarin crimson.